Hello team and welcome back. It's Tuesday 16 April and I've been away almost a week. So knowing myself, also woke up super late. I overslept because I was super tired. I don't think I'm gonna place any live trades because I usually need to like one day to go back in sync. Unless I see anything like super stupid that I feel like that if I don't take it I'm completely dumb and then maybe I'm gonna place it. But anyway, there is not too many news today, no? I mean, okay, this one, no, this one, yeah, small news. The whole week is like kind of dead. Okay, next one looks better. Anyway, let's go to charts. Last week when I left it, I was bearish and come on, this is something, 300 pips. This is just beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, everything played out. This weekly candle, wow. I think at some point ultimately we're gonna go to 1.04. Okay, I think this is a weak low, this one, and it's gonna give up at some point soon. That said, as always, I always explain that you can't ignore euro supports, you know, and this is kind of valid support because in some way the BMS this wing high and they kind of violated this one, even if the BMS. And Michael used to call this an high resistance liquidity run because price spent time here. It's not like a quick reverse, you know. So how do you know? Look at this. This is 7 weeks, 6-7 weeks of price action. It's like 50 days, and also it moved how much? Like 700 pips. You know, I wouldn't completely ignore this area if I had short bias. That's what I mean. I think ultimately we're gonna go down, but I don't want them. I don't think them going down straight. Well, can happen, but I don't see that. But that doesn't mean I'm bullish, okay? There is nothing bullish yet on this chart. And yeah, I was, this was my plan last week. How beautiful played out. Anyway, not going to look for longs right now. But look, there are reasons to start to look for longs soon. I mean, this untested H12, beautiful raid, never got tested. This is a whole candle, made in London Open, 60 pip H12 candle. This one should give some sort of reaction, but yeah. Right now, bears are in control, big time. Yeah. You know, everything is pointing down. I don't see reasons to look for longs so soon. But yeah, I start to see price. Usually, let's be clearer. When I see price action going down that much, let's clean this chart. When I see price action going down that much, I usually need hourly confirmation for me to even consider longs. And hourly confirmation means sponsorship, means like a raid on hourly and a BMS on hourly, something like that. You know, I cannot start to look for longs for M15 shifting up, you know, because look at this. This is a big dump. But you know me, and I also value the velocity of price, you know. And right now, here bears were in control. They sent price down, then some more distribution, some price down again, some more distribution, some more dump again. But can you see how much is changing this? 1 second. Can you see how much is changing? How different is this? Strong, medium, man, like small. So I can start to see the reasons why this chart can reverse, you know, and why there are reasons to go higher. I mean, This big liquidity void, liquidity here on the double top. Let me see if I refeed. Oops. Yes, it's on many feeds. So yeah, it's a legit double top. I mean, there are reasons for the chart to go higher, but again, as I said, I need some hourly BMS at least. What is the hourly BMS here? I had this one. This is the last high that made a new low. This one is not for me. You can consider it. So if, and it's a big if, you start to see something like this, maybe you can consider some longs into this origin, trying to go higher, but just maybe, you know. As I said, everything is pointing down, there is no rush. But we are at this high time frame support that cannot be ignored, you know. So yeah, that's enough for me for today, guys. I don't want to go, 1 second. I don't want to go too far with my analysis, because as I say, I think it can go higher, you know. Liquidity here, this kind of Asia price action, New York close is coming, liquidity voids. If I have to do like a plan on high time frame, let me tell you, I think we can do something like this. This is like a huge support that become like a breaker, you know. Why we cannot do this? You know, Euro loves to do this. By nature, has to be choppy. And then keep resuming the dumps. Oops. Yeah, I can see that. I want them to die, but I can see them to pull back into this area, which is the old support. You know, why not? Anyway, that's enough for me for today. Speak to you tomorrow, and maybe I will post more charts later, but as I say, I don't think I'm gonna trade live. I need some time to go back in sync. Have a nice day, everybody, and speak to you soon. Bye.